Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply the glowing line effects to your videos in the CapCut mobile. So first, you can just add your videos in CapCut. So I suggest you using your dancing video or a video with the movement. And after that, just go straight to effects, click on the body effects, and here click on the glowing lines category. So in here there are lots of options that you can choose. Let's try this geometric lasers. For example, you can see it will elevate your dancing video, or maybe let's try this dancer glowing lines. Click on the effect. It will become like this. Here you can always adjust the effect. For example, I'm going to change the color of the glowing lines. I like this yellow line, so just click on a check icon and don't forget to adjust the length of the effect. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.